Hello, it's Michael Falgaris from the Get Real Group. We are a technology-based real estate team dedicated to the client experience. And on today's Veterans Day edition, I have the top 5 mistakes veterans make when buying a home. Having a place to call your own, whether you're going to be there for 4 years or forever, it's an essential part of the American dream. And the U.S. Department of Veterans Affairs offers plenty of great programs to help those who have served in the military get there. But the process isn't foolproof. People can and they do make mistakes buying their first home, their second home, even their 10th home. And you could avoid your own tale of woes by avoiding these 5 mistakes even before you start your home search. So let's get started. Mistake number 1, not getting a realtor who knows VA loans. If you're getting a VA loan, make sure you work with a realtor who understands the process. I see a lot of people go with an agent who doesn't understand the VA system. Remember, the VA just doesn't underwrite any house, or actually, it's a huge deal to use an agent who understands the VA process, the VA appraisal process, and what all that looks like. When you're buying through the VA, you really need to find a home that meets VA property requirements. Remember, a VA appraiser will have specific criteria for instance, like fixer-uppers, and some new homes won't even qualify. Save yourself the headache of making an offer on a home that may not get approved, and work with a VA experienced realtor from the start. Mistake number 2, not communicating with your lender. Veterans have access to arguably the most powerful mortgage option on the market, but about 1 in 3 home buying veterans don't know they have a home loan benefit. When you first meet with your lender, be sure to discuss your military status so you can be informed about all the potential advantages to you. One of the biggest benefits you will get with the VA loan is the ability to buy with 0% down. I'm totally serious, 0%. VA loans also come with low interest rates, they don't require mortgage insurance, and have more forgiving credit requirements. Veterans should ask their lender if they offer any incentives for veterans. I've seen lenders waive appraisal fees, offer a waiver of the origination fee, and other lender credits. That's right, pretty much everything will get easier as soon as your lender knows your military status, so speak up. Mistake number 3, forgetting about all the home buying costs that's associated. Now, while you have a ton of financial advantages with your VA loan, you will also have some costs to deal with. Probably the biggest mistake I see active duty members coming into the home buying process and not knowing there are other costs associated and fees necessary to buy a home. When you're buying a home, you likely have to plunk down a bit of cash for things like the home appraisal, the inspection. It might not cost much in the large scheme of things, but it'll help speed things along if you come prepared, knowing what you have to shell out money for. Okay, mistake number 4, not thinking of your home as an investment. Maybe you think there's no sense in buying if there's a chance that you might relocate in the next few years. But that doesn't mean that you shouldn't buy. In fact, that home could end up being a smart investment. Here's how. First, you search in high demand areas or choosing a popular home style or size. And then you'll give yourself a better chance at resale if you need to move later. Or you can hang on to it and rent it out. My clients and I often go out and look for their first rental home, not just a home for their family. With so many in transition, they're able to purchase a home and then it becomes like an investment property for them when they go on their next duty station or they move on. Now, if you don't like the idea of becoming a landlord, did you know that the VA loan is assumable, meaning that you can transfer the loan and the property to another vet? Or you can just sell the home to any non-military buyer. And don't forget, you can use your VA home loan benefits again and again and again, so you can own a rental property and a new home. Okay, mistake number 5, making other big purchases before the closing. Now, once you find a home and your offer is accepted, you're probably going to be so excited that you're going to want to move in and maybe buy that big screen TV, and maybe you're looking into financing for a new living room set that you love. But don't do that yet. Hold off. Opening any lines of credit or making big purchases after the loan is approved is a common mistake, and this can oftentimes change the veteran's credit score and make them ineligible for the loan. Wait until after the closing to make any other financial moves, just to be on the safe side and to keep your loan right on track. If you are a veteran or an active member of the military, first of all, I just want to say thank you for your service. We hope you found this content valuable, and if you know a veteran that would benefit from this content, please share it, like it, and help them avoid these common mistakes. and often costly ones. I'm Michael Falgaris from the Get Real Group, and we specialize in the VA buying process. If you have any questions or thinking of buying, selling, or investing in New Jersey real estate, please give me a call or visit my website at www.getrealnj.com. Thanks for watching this Veterans Day edition, and happy Veterans Day.